Family, I understand that it is easy to lose focus out here. It's easy to get sidetracked. It's easy to fall back into an old behavior. But we have to hold on to that one thing, family, that one thing that keeps us that keeps us rooted, grounded. And it might be something that you really, really enjoy doing that you couldn't put a price on it. It might be something you enjoy doing that is you making a profit off of it. But what I have learned is that if it's something that you really enjoy doing and it's pure, especially in the educational field, creating and educating, money is going to always come. So money isn't going to be your issue anymore. It's going to come to a time where it's just life, family, kids, loved ones, friends. It just comes to a time where you start seeing everything for what it is. And when you start seeing everything for what it is, that's when you got to really hold on to that one thing that keeps you going, because it's easy to get sidetracked, family, like it's easy to get overwhelmed. I heard a guy say the other day that I believe in God and I know he ain't gonna place nothing over me I can't bear. And that's what I keep in mind, because regardless of what we go through, family, I believe that it won't break us, but we can break us. But life can hit you with some blows where you get to looking around like, what is going on here? You know what I mean? And lately, I just been thinking about life in general, and I've always seen myself climbing the ladder, from one pit to another, seemed like it. And you realize things as you go through life that what you thought you wasn't going to make it through, you survived it. Those times you're like, man, I'm not going to make it through that. You survived it. You can look back now and be like, I did that. And family, that's what we have to do today. No matter what you're going through, you have to literally just remember. There's an old scripture that says that David had to remember when he got real, real discouraged. He had to remember the battles. He had to remember the fights with the animals. He had to remember the times when he thought he wasn't going to survive, when the enemy had him, cornered up. And that's what gave him hope. So sometimes, fam, I realize now that it's in the remembrance of that survival is what gives us the strength to keep on. And it helps us hold on to that thing, that really gives us strength and focus, no matter what that thing may be in your life, And I realize it now. So, when things get rough and cloudy and you just like looking around trying to figure out what's going on, just hold on. And if you really believe in your mission, your purpose, your gift, it's going to all come to pass. But whatever you're going through is not new under the sun. Someone has went through it before. Someone has felt it before. It's just your turn now, So it's all about the way you perceive it. So you really have to, talk to yourself, motivate yourself. Because, you don't want to look at it one-sided. But I will say this, fam. You're going to make it. You're going to be okay. Because history repeats itself. You've already made it. Hold on.